Hey everybody, this is a quick video to help you out in case you have a Beko brand washing machine and you're getting an E03 error and you're wondering what is this error and what do I need to do to get rid of it, get my washing machine working again. So first of all, the E3 error is a heating error. So the machine is sensing that the water is not being heated properly at a consistent temperature. So this could be the heater, but it could also be a sensor, or it could be a relay or something like that, or it could just be the wiring. So the bad news on this one is that it's not localized to any specific spot that we can just go in and fix. And you might need to call a technician to deal with this, but there are a couple workarounds here. First of all, since it's a heating issue, you should be able to run your washing machine on cold cycles. As long as it doesn't need to heat the water, the machine should not give you this error and everything should be fine. Secondarily, since this is an electronics fault, just like a computer that's kind of acting funny, before you go doing anything, going to get it fixed or anything, you can fix a lot of problems just by doing a hard restart on it, which would just be turning it off and then unplugging it from the wall or turning it off at the circuit, just so there's no power to it at all. Leaving that power off for a minute and then restoring power, turning it back on. That will clear out the fault, and then you'll see if the fault doesn't come back. So anyways, hope this video helped you. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.